COVID precautions first, we get our temperatures checked.
Finding helmets for our head.
Then we go up with the gondola.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah, I am. Yeah, and I'm scared.
Let's just not die. I'm ready to prepare a kid.
Hey, Raina.
Hi.
This is. What size is your helmet?
It's
Oh, she has a medium on. I have an extra large. Because I have an extra large head. What does that mean?
Check out this view, guys. This is absolutely amazing. This is the West Sea in Incheon. This is Ganghwa, so maybe we can even see North Korea from here. It's so amazing.
From the top here, you can see people getting on the luge. So we're gonna go down now and go get on the luge. Yeah, we've had a lot of fun. Let's go, guys.
Okay.
Oh, there's an angel. Wait, let's take a picture with the angel.
So before you start riding, if it's your first time, you must get a lesson. So this is where we get our lesson.